No, wait. You need to crack with spoon.
How about the fork?
Yeah, fork. Of course.
I can use the fork. Oh, the egg cube is cracking.
Okay.
I'm cracking the egg cube.
Be careful. Just slowly. Use two hands. Yeah. Good. Use two hands. Your hand. Good. You did it.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
The egg's cute.
What next?
It's salt.
Salt?
Yes, it's yellow. See, it's yellow.
Mm.
Like my teeth.
No. No! Just a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. It's the... I'm going the yellow part again.
Okay.
Look. Ew! I should put it here. Or here.
Okay.
The egg.
Don't put the plastic material near the fire, okay?
Okay.
Just-
here.
Yeah, no. Put it right here.
Because
Yeah.
much farther.
Good. What next?
Oil!
Yeah, you need oil.
You forgot it. This one?
Okay. You can use it.
Ta-da!
Good.
Didi, must move it.
What next?
Move the oil because it's too big.
Okay.
Okay,
What next?
but not yet. Yes. R. Yes. A little bit tinier. Think so.
I think it's done.
Okay.
What next?
Put the... Not yet. Go on fire.
Wow, yeah, good. But first, you must make sure the fire is far from plastic material. See?
Yes.
What the plastic materials you see?
Didi, that's the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune. Which one?
Is that solar system?
Yes, maybe.
Good.
Jupiter is much giant.
Okay.
The gas giant.
You need to continue cook. What the things
Didi,
must you
Mercury
do?
or Venus or Earth or Mars or Jupiter or Saturn or Uranus or Neptune.
I think we can cook with the earth fire.
Earth fire.
Yeah. But first, you need to move the plastic material far from the fire.
Okay.
So, this is the plastic material. You must remove it.
Far
Yeah.
away here.
Far away, good. And what next?
On the earth fire.
Can you on the earth fire?
But it's too hard.
Yeah, you need grown up, okay?
Okay.
Let me help you.
The Earth.
Yeah.
The third planet.
Yeah, it works. See? What next?
Put the egg on.
Good.
Didi, but wait.
You done to mix it?
Yes.
Good.
Didi, but wait until it's getting neat.
Good. What next?
To stay far, okay?
Okay, and then
Put the egg.
yeah, be careful. That's hot oil. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Let's wait until it's
And
cooked. Wait.
wow. Let's see what happened.
Let's see it. Didi, let's see
Wow.
it. It pops.
Your eggs, it's turned white.
Yes. Not, I think Scarlett's one is yellow and white. And mine's still turning white.
Yeah. See?
Yes. Didi, can you make a Pokeball pancake later? Okay?
Hey, look.
What?
Look at your egg.
Oh, it's turning.
See?
Yes.
Take a look. Wow. Awesome.
Awesome.
I think it's time to pack your egg.
Didi, Scarlett's one is white and yellow because mine
You
is
need-
turning white.
You need spatula.
Spatula.
Yeah. There.
There.
Yeah.
Spatula.
And no. Make the eggs turn back like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook at the top, but I don't know.
Huh? Hey, you can do it.
I
I can help you. Let me show you.
can.
Can you pick up the spatula?
But
Let me show you.
okay.
First, you need to hold with your hand. Oh, come on. I'll show you.
But if Didi, Neptune instead, okay?
Yeah, come on.
Neptune is not hot.
Okay. Wait.
Didi.
It's okay. Just careful. You can put the spatula here and up and 1, 2.
Didi, put the spatula upside down.
Yeah. Ready?
Steady.
Go. Shoo. Bloop. Yeah. You did it. Yay. See? You did it, Kaka.
This
works.
Spatula on the cold oil, okay?
Yeah. See? Now turn off the fire. Can you turn off the fire?
Okay.
Good. And
Didi, but don't forget.
yeah, wipe the floor. Make sure the floor's dry, okay?
Okay.
Good.
Last, wipe the floor.
And the last things you must do is prepare your plate.
But now
Okay.
I think the brown one.
Okay.
Brown looks good.
Yeah.
This is good.
Hmm.
Brown's cooked.
Yeah. Can you move the egg from to the plate?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You can use
Something's-
spatula.
But something's missing.
Hmm.
Rice.
Rice?
Yes.
Okay. You need rice. Are you hungry?
Yes, I need rice
Hmm.
for you cooking.
Okay.
That.
Hmm.
We got none or half. But first, yeah, you have to be careful. chair over there. Oh, TV. And don't get too close.
Yeah.
And second, be careful. Press the button really slowly.
Okay.
And first, put it up.
Good.
See?
Yeah.
And 4, you have to climb up. Step your feet on the table.
Hmm.
And step number 5,
Yeah. Be careful, okay?
open up. And step
You don't want to fall, right?
Put this. Here's number 7.
Hmm.
Pick the rice cube. And don't fall to the table.
Yeah.
And number 8, put the rice very carefully.
Yeah. Let me move your plate here and continue.
Put your hand here. And move your legs.
Good. I think it's done.
But not yet. The egg is too big to fit, okay?
Okay.
The egg is too big to fit.
Wow. That's a lot of rice for you. You have a lot of rice.
And now
You
step
must
number...
eat them all.
But wait a minute. You have to make the rice flat because the egg can sleep on it.
Okay.
And we can eat them. They'll be... Ah!
Mm.
And pull it. And... Place down on spatula. Make sure the spatula with oil, okay? Make sure the spatula with oil, okay?
I think it's not. We don't need that. Okay, continue.
This spatula. That egg is hot.
Mm.
See? It
Yeah.
turns yellow.
Yeah.
It
And
appears.
done.
Didi, it looked like a t-shirt.
Mm. Yeah, it looks like your t-shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It changed color of the eggs.
Yeah.
Eat now.
Good. What do you need next?
Use this. And I need this one.
Okay.
And oh, it's done. Tapok.
Where are you going?
Let's go. I need TV.
I think you need table.
Table.
Hmm?
But
It's your table.
in the house. Oh, you are. Move.
Where your rice?
Not.
Where your rice? And your
At the kitchen. Ding dong. TV, ding dong. There.
get your rice here.
Oh, there. It's too heavy, okay?
Need a hand?
Yes.
Okay, let me help you. Enjoy.
But you need to feed me. But it's really cold. It's really cold.
Now, pray before you eat.
It's really cold when I eat the tacos.
Yeah. You need to pray before you eat.
Really big. That's the blood. See the
Pray
blood.
first.
Dear Lord, thank you for loving me. I want to watch TV and eat by myself with egg and rice and just name ramen.
Amen. Good.
Didi, don't stare at the middle of the TV. Like,
Say
please.
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 Good.
Didi, look. She came up.
Let's eat.
But not yet. Wait until see. Okay.
Say thank you for watching.
Oh!
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Look at the camera.
Please subscribe to this channel.
Please subscribe to this channel. Say it.
Please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.
Bye. Look at the camera and say bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera here.
Bye.